Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can day trade on MetaTrader 5, which basically means trading within a day. So if you take a position within a 24 hours and close your position within a 24 hours, then yeah, you will be able to day trade successfully. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 apps on in the screen, where you can see there are tons of symbols in this dashboard. So let me choose any of them to show you a demo. So let me choose the first one, which is EUR/USD. So once you tap on it, you can see there are two options, trade and chart. So let's tap on the chart, and now you can see there is a M1 at the top left corner of this chart, so which basically means 1 minute. So once you tap on it, you can see there are tons of time frame. There are tons of time duration in here in time frame: 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and so on. So if you want to day trade, then you simply need to trade within a 1 minute to the 4 hour, and yeah, you will be able to day trade your account successfully. So basically this is how you can day trade on MetaTrader 5 for the beginners. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.